Hi everyone, happy 4th of July week. Here we are already in the middle of our course. I can hardly believe it. We really only have, after this week, about 2 weeks to go. So we are in the heart of the course and in a way getting toward the end. So last week you turned in your first writer's workshop piece and then worked in your workshop groups to provide feedback to each other. This was really wonderful to see. You did a great job, and it looks like everyone took this role very seriously, which I really appreciate. You also began work on crafting your mini lesson assignment and recording it. So let me know if you have questions about this. You can use Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I use to record these videos. Very easy, uses the camera built right into your computer. This week you will turn in that mini lesson and you'll also begin your second writer's workshop. You'll also consider real-world writing as a way to engage students. As we discussed last week, it's important to prepare students for life rather than for tests. We need kids to be able to take up real-world assignments and demonstrate literacy skills that will actually impact their lives beyond school. We want students to be able to write emails to their bosses, prepare reports and presentations, and write up business plans, draft brochures, that kind of thing. So these are the types of skills that we really need to work on with our assignments. So I will send a separate video with answers to the Gallagher reading quiz from last week. I don't put these on YouTube since obviously they're quiz answers. Module 6 work is not due this week until Thursday, July the 5th because of the holiday. I also will release Module 7 on the 5th. Whew, that's a lot of numbers. At any rate, have a great week and happy 4th of July.